So, the Pixel 8 series, a mere 4 months old, has unexpectedly fallen victim to the annual tradition of high-resolution leaks, providing an early sneak peek into Google's upcoming Pixel flagships. Assuming the leaked renders prove accurate, the credibility of these revelations gains strength from OnLeaks, a source renowned for precision in leaking details of Pixel 6, Pixel 7, and Pixel 8. Despite Google's recent introduction of a fresh mint color variant for the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, the spotlight has rapidly shifted to the alleged designs of the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro, showcased in intricate high-resolution images. If the early renders indeed hold true, prospective buyers may find themselves contemplating the postponement of their purchase, eagerly anticipating the Pixel 9 series, poised to unveil some surprises. The initial impressions of the Pixel 9 Pro hint at a distinctive influence from the iPhone 15 Pro, observable in its flat frame with subtle edge curvature and slim, symmetrical display borders. A departure from previous designs becomes apparent in the predominantly black redesigned back, evoking memories of the beloved Pixel 6 Pro. Drawing inspiration from the Pixel Fold, the camera bar on the back contributes to a unique and captivating aesthetic, managing to stand out despite its resemblance to the iPhone 15 Pro, courtesy of the upgraded rear design. However, a potential concern emerges concerning the perceived edginess of the Pixel 9 Pro's design. While acknowledging the aesthetic appeal, the shift towards a less curvy design aligns with the trend set by Apple. This move towards a more modern appearance, while visually enticing, may inadvertently compromise the device's comfort and ease of one-handed operation. The Pixel 9 series, with its innovative design elements, introduces an intriguing choice for consumers, delicately balancing the allure of a contemporary look with the practical considerations of comfort and usability. As potential buyers weigh these factors, the anticipation for Google's next flagship series continues to build, fueled by the promise of groundbreaking design and features. The leaks, while raising questions about Google's release strategy, also add to the excitement surrounding the Pixel 9 series. The unexpected glimpse into the future devices offers a tantalizing preview, leaving consumers to ponder whether the potential surprises and advancements in design justify holding off on a purchase and waiting for the Pixel 9 series to make its official debut. While the mystery behind the leaks remains, the speculations and discussions around the upcoming Pixel flagships add an additional layer of anticipation to the ever-evolving landscape of smartphone technology. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel 9 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video.